Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom residential 2-story townhouse for sale. It is located on DeCarteret Road, Mandeville. It is disposed over a gross floor area of approximately 3,475 square feet. The area has the benefits of main water, electricity, and telephone services. The ground floor has 2 entry foyers, living room, family room, kitchen and dining area, laundry room and back porch. The first floor has a landing, master bedroom with bathroom, 2 closed closets and balcony ensuite. 2 other bedrooms, each with closed closet and bathroom ensuite, and 1 small room. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is US 173,000 or Jamaican $26.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.